In the wild, survival is a delicate balance, shaped by patience, instinct, and an unspoken understanding. Among the most formidable predators in the animal kingdom, crocodiles stand apart. A presence both feared and revered. He does not chase. He does not rush. He simply waits. But here, on the other end, there is the egret, known for her grace and fragility in the presence of power. Two species, two different worlds, yet bound by the same aquatic habitat. She needs to quench her thirst, hesitating, knowing that the crocodile is in front of her. Yet the egret decides to move forward, and the crocodile has noticed her. There's a ripple in the stillness. This moment could change her fate. In a moment of risk, she takes what she needs to survive. He does not rush. He observes, and his gaze remains unshaken. Whatever passed between them is unspoken. No chase, no retreat. Just a quiet understanding of the world they share. In nature, not every moment is a fight for survival. That's the beauty of coexistence, and at Vantara, it unfolds every day.